Hey friends, if you wish to fix DirectX setup error and internal system error occurred in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the internet connection. And how would you do that? Simply open fast.com and check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? The next solution will be to remove any proxy from your system. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Now go to the connections tab, select LAN settings, make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server is unchecked. Click on OK. And the last solution is a network reset. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down, click on advanced network settings and then click on network reset and finally click on reset now and click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.